Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. It's going to be crafty things, of course, with a few things to decorate my craft room. So let's get started. I found these file folders, which I thought would be nice for organizing my paper packs and some of my scrap papers that are just kind of loose. I think the size is perfect. Let me just show you what one looks like when it's put together. It's very easy to kind of snap these into place, and they're sturdy enough as well for my paper. A good way to hide it too. And it's got this hole in the front so you can actually see into it and see what's there, or I can just put it this way. But I think I may put it on my shelf this way. And I love the colors, so this gives you a hint about the colors for my craft room. You'll hear me fumbling around because I'm just kind of pulling stuff out of my bag. Look what I found. This is absolutely adorable. It's kind of like a glass on the inside, but it has dream. And so I want to do a project where I can kind of cover this so it stands out, since my walls in my craft room are white. This wouldn't stand out if I put it on the wall. So I'm going to do a project, and I will be sharing it in a tutorial of how I create maybe a background for this and decorate it so I can make it my own. So I thought this would be really cute. So I have never seen these at Dollar Tree. So let me know if you've seen these before. I also found this cute flamingo. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. It's pink and it says stand out. And you know I love words. So I love this. I could add little gems to it if I want, or I can just leave it like it is. And look at this. You are the pineapple of my eye. This is really cute. I think you can also kind of jazz this up a bit if you wanted to. And it's got the stand on the back as well. So I had never seen these, or maybe I just wasn't looking for them, but now all of a sudden I want little tiny decorations for my room. So now all of a sudden I see everything. I'm not sure if I showed you this in another haul, but this is really adorable because I can actually place some of the cards that I received from members on here. It's got a little clipboard. This would make a good teacher gift too, by the way. But look how adorable that is. And the background is so pretty. Look at that. And then it's a photo frame. But I can use it for something else. If I want to prioritize my list for the day, the things I need to absolutely get done, I can keep this on my desk. And it's got the stand, so you can put a stand on it. Or you can take the stand off of any of these and put them onto something else. So just because it has the stand on doesn't mean you can't take that off, or just glue it down with the stand on it. Kind of look kind of 3D-ish too. So that's just another idea. These are cute though. I think these will be nice for displaying some of the cards I get from some of my subscribers. I also found this. It's felt ribbon. And this would be nice for like some type of flower box. This has butterflies on it. And it's in this really pretty green. And then there's a blue one. And I love these two colors together. I absolutely love this. And some of the colors in my craft room, now that I think about it, are the same color too. So just another hint of what my craft room is going to have in it, or the color scheme I'm going with. So I really like these. I had never seen these before. And of course, you can't go wrong with butterflies. And it says it's for scrapbooks, gift bows, and craft decorating. So let me just kind of, I want to open this so I can really kind of pull it out and show you what it looks like. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty thick. It's on the thicker side. It looks like you can cut these out. This will be a nice, this could actually be made, I could make a card out of this too. You can do something with cards with this. Getting ideas, because it's light enough so you can cut it to the size of your card and add it to your cards. You might even be able to just cut off some of the butterflies, or you can cut off some of the trim on here Yeah, see all of these ideas that are coming? Cut off the trim and use that little bit of trim on your card. Yep, you can do it. Just because it looks one way doesn't mean you can't use it for something else. So that's really pretty as well. Let's see what else I have in here. You know, around the beginning of the year, some of you showed where you got these and how you remade them into something else. And so I had not seen these at my Dollar Tree. So look how adorable that is. Love. Let's see. Here's the other one. Piece. And you can paint these if you want. Let's see if I thought there was a third one, but maybe I didn't pick it up. There was another one, but I didn't pick it up. Isn't this absolutely adorable? Peace and love. That's what it's all about. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I could always paint them. I could paint this part and just keep the wood the way it is. You could do so many different things. Of course, it's got the butterfly on it again. So we'll see what happens with this. And then I happen to be over in the ribbon section and in the baby section, and I've been looking at these for a while. I just never picked them up. I think it would be nice to do some type of mini album using these. I think this would be absolutely adorable, especially for decorating the covers, or maybe even having something dangling from it. This would be cute for a baby gift basket too, to maybe dangle something from the ribbon. And something like this too. I think this can be glued onto a mini album, and you can keep pictures of how the baby grows up or stuff like that. You know, first month, second month. So I think this would be cute for a baby album. So adorable. So that's, and I have a baby paper pack. So I'm thinking of doing something like that. And then I found this. Look at this. Dream Big. And it's got the elephant and it's in black and white. Another hint of my craft room. That sounds like a lot of colors in my craft room, but it's all coming together. I thought this was really cute. And it's a stand. So I had never seen this one before either. Or here's another thing I can do. I can actually use this and take off that back and put it on something like another background or inside of a picture frame. So much you can do. And of course, you just can't go to Dollar Tree without going over to the sticker section. But before I get those, let me show you this. I did find one more. Here it is. Here was the other one. So it was Love, Peace, and Dream. So there's the other one there. So that word dream comes a lot. Dream big. Any of those words, I absolutely love them. So that was the other one that I did pick up. That was at the bottom of my bag. And look at this. I don't know if you've seen, I have never seen these before, and this was a different Dollar Tree. So each Dollar Tree is different, but they had a lot of different things I had not seen before. So this is called, it says, You Bake Me Crazy. I thought that was cute because it has that cupcake on it, and I love the colors. Now if I want, I can put a backing on it so that it stands out more, or I can leave it like this. And then I think, let's see how this goes in here. It stands up like that. Isn't that the cutest thing? So lots of ideas, because you can leave it, you know, put a background on it if you want. But I think that looks so pretty. So that's what it looks like. And it's got its own little stand. I think it's super cool. They had some other ones, but this one, I like the message on it. So I'm not sure if you've seen this at your Dollar Tree, but I thought it was super, super cool. And I'll leave that for now. Oh, going back to the baby stuff, here's some other things I found. So I'm thinking about that baby mini album. These are so cute. The pacifiers and the little blocks too. Really nice gift idea to make an album. This is a great opportunity to make an album for someone that's having a baby. And they can keep their memories. Okay, and so let's see. Some of these stickers I may have shown you before, but I did pick up some more. I'm not sure if you've seen these, but I thought these were super cool, the butterflies. So I just said, let me pick up some more, just because. But look how adorable those are. So colorful. Lots of card making. You can do themes. Like, look, this is the orange, so you can use orange and yellow theme and create a card. The pink and the lighter pink. The green and the blues in this one. So there's lots of card ideas you can do with these. So I'm thinking, you know, just to take each one and make a card out of each one, and you can pull some stuff together really fast. Here's another one with just the white butterflies. I had seen people posting this, but I didn't pick up any myself because I hadn't seen them. So different Dollar Tree, different stuff. Here's another one with the flowers. Look at that. You can mix and match with the butterfly and the flowers, make some really cute embellishments with these. So now you've got this and this together to pull a card together, right? And let's see, here's some other ones. Let me show you. Oh, I did pick up another pack of that because I fell in love with those. And then here's the lighter blue. And look at this. So you got the lighter blue butterflies and the light blue flowers if you want to color coordinate everything. And here's the white butterflies with the white flowers. Really nice for a wedding or anniversary card. Look at that. And then I found these other stickers with the alphabets on them. And it's a puffy sticker, but they also have these really cute flowers on them, these little tiny flowers. I thought would be really nice also to make something super cute. You could make that for your card decorating. Oh, these would be good for those pocket letters also. Yeah. I think the stickers are good for pocket letters. And I may have shown you these before, but I had to pick up more. It's those pop-up stickers, and they're 3D-ish. These would be cute for making pocket letters, especially now that I've made my first one. And now I'm kind of loving the way they turned out. I may want to make more. So I could never have enough of these. And look at these. Oh my goodness. These hearts are super cute, and I like the way they're kind of have that pop up, so you can kind of 3D them on your cards. Lots of stuff you can make with these, adding them to your crafting, and the different colors. Once again, it forces you to kind of step outside the box and use different colors. Like this would make a really cute card. This too, look at that, with a little bow on it. That's pretty. This will be nice for some gift tags too. So maybe I'll do some Dollar Tree greeting cards. Show y'all how those turn out. And then I did pick up another pack of those. Super cute. And then more butterflies, and I did get some more flowers. I think you've seen these before in a previous video, but when I see them, I may as well go ahead and pick them up. Okay, and let's see what else I have. Oh, I'm almost down to the last few items. I haven't seen these before. This is foam mountain dots. And this is the double-sided. There are 48 dots in this one. That's the round ones. And there's 64 squares in this one. These are larger ones. So I usually use the really tiny ones, but I could always cut these and make them smaller. I've used the small round dots. I could always cut these up and make them even smaller. So I had not seen this. It's by that company Jot. So that's going to be more craft supplies to add to my stash. And these cute little birds. Look how cute these are. They're just adorable. And this has kind of like a, reminds me of burlap. Their little wings. And so these are super adorable. Look at that. I can use this somehow in something. I just knew I had to get these. So that's it for right now. I hope some of these items helped you. I'm going to have lots of fun creating with these. Dream, peace, and love to all of you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you real soon. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot one more thing. This adorable donut bag. Isn't this super duper cute? This is a Dollar Tree bag. And let me see if you can see how much room you get in this. I love these little bags that they sell at the store, but this was only $1. And so look how cute that is. With all of it, I love donuts, can you tell? So that was my last item. I knew I forgot to show you this. Even the bottom is really pretty. So I'll see you real soon. Bye.